everyone, welcome back. If you have already checked out some of our videos, I would just like to say hello again, and this is another segment of I am not a professional detailer, but I am going to go ahead and do some product demos for you guys so that you can see how our products work. So what we will do today is a little bit of an interior clean. So I am going to clean a dashboard and then go back and dress it with one of our new retail items at O'Reilly Auto Parts. So to get started, we will head on back into the warehouse and grab our stuff. The two products that we are going to work with today are Greenall and the new Coverall interior dressing. The cool thing about Greenall is that it is an all-purpose cleaner. So this product is made up of 15 different raw materials. So it is meant to reach any kind of surface you're trying to clean. It's great for carpets, it's great for interiors, dash, plastic, vinyl. It's not going to hurt or harm anything, and it also is a concentrate. So you can dilute Greenall up to 10:1. I went ahead and just grabbed both of these so that you can see. This is part of our commercial line. The part number for a gallon of Greenall would be C59-1. But then we also have it over here. This is actually, this was a test that we were doing on some different label designs. We're getting ready to release a Coverall retail line, and this product is going to be part of it. So this product will be ready to use in a 32-ounce bottle. The label is going to be slightly different, but I went ahead and just grabbed it because it's, you know, it's good, it's ready to go. I can use it for a quick demo and show you guys how the product works. So we have Greenall, and then also after I'm done cleaning the dash with Greenall, then I'll go back and we'll use the Coverall interior dressing to shine the dash, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit about how cool this product is. This is available at O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's on their shelf. All you have to do is walk in, grab it, and buy it. And you guys are gonna absolutely love this stuff. If you haven't used it yet, it is amazing. It is such a great interior cleaner, or interior dressing, not a cleaner, sorry. But it works really, really well. The part number for this is F as in Frank 106. So without further ado, let's get started on, I'm not a detailer, but let's detail. This feels really awkward.
Yeah, crammed in a car.
Totally. So there's a couple of different ways that you can go about cleaning, which you professionals out there are already going to be familiar with that. But you can spray it directly onto the rag, or some people spray it onto the surface and then wipe it. You can do either. I actually like to spray it onto the rag just because I feel like I can kind of control the overspray of the product a little bit better that way. So I'm just going to do a few sprays on my little microfiber here, and then I am going to take it and just start cleaning. So I am going to wipe this side down first. And you guys, this side of the dash is not even that dirty, and I'm gonna tell you why. So the last time I cleaned the dash of my car, which it has probably been at least 5 months, don't judge me, since I have cleaned the dash of this car. But what I did is I used Aqua Gloss, or Coverall interior dressing. So Coverall interior dressing, most of you already know this, but it is Aqua Gloss, and it's been diluted 50-50 or 1:1. So when you use the product, it makes it so much easier to clean it when you need to go back and clean it the next time, because the raw materials that we use in the formula, they repel dust. So that is what makes this product such an amazing interior cleaner, because literally it is going to repel dust, which means it is going to help prevent dust from sticking onto your dash. So when you go to clean it next time, it's already going to be in really, really, really good condition. There's UV protectants in it, which help, prevent sun damage, fading, cracking, things like that. It's just such an awesome product, and it smells really good too. So people like that. Just got done cleaning the dash with Greenall, and the dilution that I used was 4-to-1. You can really go up to 10-to-1, and it's going to work, just as well. So the only time that I recommend like a 1-to-1 dilution is maybe on carpets, if there's some grease or some dirt that's really embedded into the carpet that you're trying to get out. But for the most part, 10-to-1 is actually going to be good for interior. So this one was 4-to-1, and I think, as you can see, it did a fantastic job. It was so easy to use, and the dash looks great. So the next thing that we are going to do is put some coverall interior dressing on the dash. Now, this product that is available at O'Reilly Auto Parts, it's on the shelf. This product, if you were to buy the concentrate version of this, if you were to get buy a gallon of it from O'Reilly's, the deal with this is you can control the shine. So, you can dilute this stuff up to 4-to-1. At 4-to-1, it's going to give you a little bit more of that matte black look, that just clean but not shiny look that a lot of people out there like. Cut it 4-to-1 and you'll get a little bit more of that, just a little bit flatter of a shine. But it'll separate at that. So there's nothing wrong with that. So when it's in the bottle, if you do dilute it 4-to-1, it's going to separate out a little bit. Just shake it up when you need to go to use it again. No harm, no foul, totally fine. That's what the raw materials are going to do when you cut it back that far. I absolutely love it at 1-to-1. I like a little bit of shine on my dash, but nothing overbearing or just so shiny that it's like glaring when you're driving down the road. So I actually love this stuff at 1-to-1, which is how it's going to come in the bottle ready to use at O'Reilly's. The other really cool thing about this stuff, like I mentioned, it will repel dust. So when you use it on your dash and you're driving and it's nice out and you want to roll the windows down and stuff flies in your car, because that's going to happen because there's a bunch of crap in the air. But it will not stick to your dash, and it is going to help make that dash look really clean a lot longer than if you were to not put this product on the dash. So again, I just love this stuff, and it smells really good. It smells like melon. It's very light, kind of a clean, fresh melon scent. Again, you can spray this directly onto the dash if you like. I like to control the spray a little bit more, so I'm just gonna use one of these. This is actually a wax applicator, but it's kind of a microfiber finish. Again, not a professional detailer here, so just going to spray it on here because this is how I like to use it, and I will then go through and put it on the dash so that you can see how amazing it looks. So here we go. That's it. It is so easy, so simple. That's what I love about our products is they're made in the USA. We manufacture everything here in South Roxana, Illinois, just outside of St. Louis, Missouri. We make high quality professional products, and we offer them at really competitive pricing. So we just, we love being able to put these, easy to use, great products out on the market and have them so that anybody can buy them and use them. And I'm telling you guys, if I can clean and do this, just about anybody can, because I know all about the products. I know what's in the products. I know all about the manufacturing process that goes into, making something like this, but I'm not a detailer. I don't, clean cars, every day as my job. So I'm just out here messing around, trying to show you guys that these products work really, really good and they're super easy to use. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Click the bell, hit subscribe, follow us on all the medias, and do all that, all that fun stuff. We really appreciate it. And have a great day, you guys.